What's going on, everyone? My name is James Livingston here, bringing you guys a video here yet again every single day, not straying away from that. Today I'm cutting it really close. I actually have to go to work in like 5 minutes. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to do a very quick over SPY, QQQ, IWM. Not going to focus on that, not going to focus on any stocks at the moment. Obviously, if you are in the Discord, you can ask me about specific stocks in there. But I'm literally running late right now. But I want to get this video out for you guys because I feel like you guys need to know these levels, these key levels to watch out for. So first and foremost on SPY, a little bit more of a bearish style candle there heading into today from yesterday. So the overall market got to push up first thing in the morning there. We were expecting it to push up towards those 565 highs. Overall, it did get a rejection there around 564, so found some resistance there. 564, I think in the pre-market, market open, 563.90 was that resistance that we did tap on. As of right now, that would be the overall target to the upside. And then, of course, after we break that, then we can go to the 565 prior resistance and then to new all-time highs. I think in order for us to hit these all-time highs, we're going to need some kind of a news to hit, some kind of data report to come through. And I think we do have one of those. I don't know if we're necessarily getting it here today. Let me just do a quick little look for you. We have all these resources in our Discord under the market news section, the weekly brief. You can see exactly what's going on this week. So it looks like we do have consumer confidence at 10 a.m. It's hard to say that that's going to actually push us to the all-time highs. But we do have a bit of a tight formation starting to happen here now. You can see just a very clear kind of upward pinch almost, off of this consolidation, price consolidation from the August 15th. So for over a week now, we've been kind of just consolidating in this area, waiting for that pop. So as of right now, like I said, 563.90 for the upside there is the top side level. Now, overnight, we did get a little bit of a gap up. It looks like similar to the prior night. We did already fill that, so it'd be interesting to see if we can opposite that price action that we had yesterday where we just melted and instead maybe get a push back towards that upside here today. We'll see. We'll use, obviously, what we have in front of us to make that decision. At the end of the day right now, I think this 561, is it 561.60? Just about 561.60, the high of pre-market here today so far, and then that intraday kind of high there yesterday. I think that's going to be the level to push to the upside, give us a push all the way up into this area here, and again, possibly up to 564. Downside-wise, we can start to break down out of this trend here that we have if we can get that break below 559.80, so basically 560. That push can give us maybe as low as 559, low of day from yesterday. Anything more than that, maybe get a push back down to the 557s. But I really don't think we're going to get an opportunity at that. I think 10 a.m. when the consumer confidence comes out, I'm not really certain that we'll get that push down, to be completely honest. I doubt it. But we'll see. As far as QQQ, very similar. Let me get rid of some of these lines. Very similar overall daily look. QQQ is starting to push down a little bit harder than SPY is. SPY, was kind of trending up like this, whereas QQQ is already starting to push down. Do have that 20 EMA on the daily as our overall kind of support right now at 470. Let's look at the 4 hour here just to see what's going on. So yeah, I mean, you can see here just a decent little trend down that we're starting here. Now it's almost like an opposite style pinch that we had on SPY, where price action is kind of pinching down this way instead of pinching upwards. So either which way, a move is definitely making its way to the forefront. It's just a matter of who gets the shove here. As of right now, the bigger levels to push, 481.40 to get us back up towards that 485, and then upwards and onwards. And then downward, if we break underneath of 473.40, looks like that low of day yesterday was also a low of day prior, about 5 days ago. So definitely an area of value right there. The 60 EMA is also coming up on the 4 hour. Should meet us there fairly early in the morning, so we might even get like a quick little bounce But those are the longer term levels. As far as what to watch for here first thing in the morning, of course, like I said, you do have that gap that looks like it got filled already, so we'll just trash that one. And then we have that similar level there intraday. I would say arguably it's even lower at about 476.40. I think you can take that break right there. Now on this one, we have the 200 EMA there on this 15-minute time frame, not too far above our break level, so we gotta watch so we don't get a false breakout and get rejected off that 200. But we do have a nice little fair value gap right in here off of this liquidity push to the downside. We now have open liquidity here that can get eaten up pretty quickly, up to as high as 478. So upside 476.40, downside at this moment it's a similar level to SPYs. I'm going to use 474.30, basically breakdown of these wick areas, and then break down towards that 473.40, get a chance to push on the bottom of the trend line, maybe as low as 472s today, depending on who gets the push, who gets the shove. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a pretty straightforward day. We had mostly chop yesterday, so you're just kind of playing off the range. But like I said, I got to get going. It's almost 8 o'clock. I have to be at work 8 o'clock. So, oh, goodness gracious. I lost you guys. I actually had to have pants on because I'm not even wearing pants right now. But either which way, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's a shorter video with just SPY and QQQ. Tomorrow will definitely be a more normal video. I'll just make sure I set my alarm correctly so I can get up in a normal matter of time. So, wow, I just clicked all the way over to INTC somehow. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video. If you're not a part of a Discord community, come down to Alpha Stocks Lab, click the link in my description, get started, join community, lots of helpful people there, and I'll catch you in there if you join. Peace.